The most important and effective step in Core Channel's quality control process is identifying and avoiding sources within the global supply chain that are likely to traffic in counterfeit materials. For this reason, we have developed and implemented our unique Counterfeit Rejection process. This process is the first phase of the operation for the delivery of supplied parts, developed to assure the best quality and protection for our clients' daily operations. The counterfeit rejection process begins when our inspectors receive incoming materials before continuing to our quality control process. A 10% sample from the total is inspected by our personnel. A golden sample, as well as thorough inspection criteria,